provider that outsource logistics services. 3PL originally began as a public warehousing provider. Logistic function of 3PL is becoming widespread practice in the global industry. The increasing number of companies, whether it is small or big, has focused on their core competencies by increasing their effort to ensure the company's survival. There are thousands of third-party logistics in the world and 100 in Malaysia which compete among each other in providing a better service. The aim of 3PL company is to fulfill the related function which is not available for certain company, and as a provider, 3PL will provide service on behalf of the shipper and as possible for the investment, transportation, warehousing and others.
Is one of the Malaysian growing integrated logistics provider and is consistently ranked as a top haulier in Malaysia. Swift Logistics Group also offers one-stop logistics solution to meet local, regional, and global requirements. Swift Logistics provide 10 core services such as warehousing, cross-border transportation, container depot service, sales services and spare parts, consolidation, ship husbandry, haulage, freight forwarding, project logistics, and specialized transportation. Swift Integrated Logistics Group provides integrated logistics services. The company integrates logistics services that include ocean freighting, distribution, freight forwarding, warehousing, and etc. The company also provides supply chain solutions for freight forwarding, haulage, inland distribution, cross-border, warehouse, and yard management industries. The Swift Logistics Group is multimodal transport operator, MTO, and Petronas license. Swift Logistics has outsourced the warehousing services to Petronas Chemical Polyethylene, PCPSP, and Petronas Chemical PCLDE Sdn Bhd since it is located near Petronas Kerteh. This company has received several awards from SPED as a Best Customer Service and Complaint Manager for Container Operator.
This is my second year. Before this, I'm involved more in offshore line, which is from my previous company before I joined Swiss, a shipping company, which is I deal more with what you call crew, more on offshore, what you call the shipping. I mean, more with the foreigner. Okay, most of my client is foreigner. So I joined Swiss.
That is the process. I mean, from bagging, from end conveyor bagging, starting from end conveyor bagging until distribution of the goods to the customer. Okay, they will check whether the item is according to the spec or not. Okay, whether follow the first, they will check whether the grade is correct, the what you call the batches is correct, and then the packing of the item is in good condition. Okay, from there, if everything is okay, they will pick up the things and put it in the warehouse based to the, according to the bin allocated. Okay, from there, for the next day, if we, our supervisor will check whether the dedicated order for dedicated customer, sorry. So they will check through SAP, which is Petronas system. They will check through SAP. Okay, which order will be going to respective customer. Okay, so based on that, they will prepare the TO, which is transfer order, and then they will prepare and pass it to the our OC to make sure that the correct item is delivered based on the release order given by Petronas. And then from there, they will pick up the item. Let's say, for example, for domestic. Okay, for domestic, they will pick up the item. Minimum lorry that we have to supply is 10 lorries per day.
In the process of bidding, okay, almost every company will be having the same capacity, and only those that can provide additional services, therefore value adding the contract, we will be winning the contract. Okay. So for MIC Integrated Logistics, and which is now known as SWIFT, so we have an advantage since we have been providing these services to Petronas Chemical for the last 10 years. Okay. On the part of SWIFT, the latest innovation that we are actually doing is injecting new asset. Okay, we have already invested millions of dollars in new assets. We have 2 container reach stacker costing around almost 4 million. Okay, just to cater. This is not within the contract, you see, but it's value adding. We already have reach stacker, but it's a very old reach stacker, and therefore once we introduce the new reach stacker, there are actually cost saving on both parts. So it's a win-win situation. On the part of PCG, they are actually getting a smooth operation. On our part, we are actually saving costs. Less breakdown, less downtime, okay, and also for these big trucks, the cost of repair is not small. So injecting new asset is actually the innovation, and also on the part of the procedures, we're actually revising SOPs, procedure SP, and it's based on the lot situation. It's actually mandatory. It's a must for us to review every year. So that is why we are able to sustain this contract.
Of 3PL is very crucial nowadays. The operation provided by SWIFT Logistics will benefit the user from outsourcing in terms of cost reduction, core business, strategic advantage, investment, service and technology improvement to be successful in outsourcing logistics. Next step is working together. Both sides need support from top management and have to share information, risk and award, mutual trust, always update vision and goals, evaluation their performance and so forth.